for this match. First referee, Mr. Dante Malazarte, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Lumer Pajarillo, National Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from Our Lady Sailors of the Philippine Navy. Wearing jersey number 2, Kite Rosale. Team captain with jersey number 4, Joanna Botor Carpio. At number 5, Mai Prochina. Wearing jersey number 9, Gretchel Deposoy. At number 11, Eileen Suson. And at number 12, Janet Serafica. Libero, number 6, Marilu Galido. Head coach, Miss Nene Ibanez. Calling on our rising sons of Cagayan Perpetual Health. At number 18, Sutadta Chulim. Wearing jersey number 2, Gina Keisha Andaya. At number 10, Sandra De Los Santos. Team captain with jersey number 12, Joy Gazelle Cases. At number 17, Kunbang Pornpimol. And at number 15, Honey Royce Tubino. Libero, number 3, Jack Jonella. And sitting in for head coach Mike Rafael is Mr. Sherwin Bariwan. Good luck to both teams.
All right, those are the starting lineups for the two teams. We'll talk about them later, but more importantly, let me greet a happy birthday to a good friend of ours, Tony. Of course, si Mr. Barry Pascua. Nagse-celebrate.
Kamayan na natin. Kamayan na natin.
Ayan ha. Happy birthday, Barry. hindi ko idea to. Si Barry Pascua po ay 105 years old na.
Oh?
Happy birthday, Coach. Sa Barry Pascua. And alam mo, buong buwan, Ronnie, babatiin natin yan bawat laro.
Pati celebration yan, sigurado ko.
Yun na nga lang ang problema. Pag may nagtatanong kung saan yung celebration, wala tayong maibigay na lugar.
Ako, alam ko kung saan. Kasama sa direct practice yan, sigurado. Sigurado. Parang, dito ka lang, Barry, wag kang tatay, wag ka alis sa tabi namin. Parang napainig. Biogesic?
And Barry will be celebrating September 4. Tama ba? September 4, di ba? Oo, tama.
Tama. Bernaber.
Yes. And of course, Coach Ronnie, Andre Mulya will be joining us in a bit to give us reports from the court side and from the both benches. But really, like what you said, I like what you said earlier that itong Cagayan Valley Rising Suns in the first round, of course, hindi pa sila masyadong nakakagel. And those 2 losses that they suffered from the top 2 teams, that could be a different story for this round.
Exactly. Those were 5-setters.
Yes, very close.
Those defeats were 5-setters. Akala ko, babatiin mo rin siya. Akala ko, magka-comeback naman si Anne.
Matagal pa ata birthday.
Si Ivy, nagka-comeback.
Tama. Eh, sinabi ko na rin yun in one of the coverages, Coach Ronnie. Pagka merong gustong kumuha kay Andre Mulya, ako lapitan. Ako manager.
Ako manager ni Kiefer. Panalo yun.
Panalo. Si Mosi, inayaw mo muna rin. Wala nang kukuha kay Mosi yan. Mosi, sorry. And kakasayahan po kami dito because really it's so nice to be together with Coach Ronnie. We haven't seen him for a long time, pero now he's back and he promises to be more active in joining the panel. Alright, this match again, it's Steve RS going up against the Philippine Navy. 3-2 ang score natin dito sa first set. And Andaya is the starting setter for Cagayan Valley. We know that they have a luxury of having 2 setters that they could field in. Shakey's against Fun Family Pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. Serafika with a serve to Dionela. Andaya again, Sandra De Los Santos. Money in the bank, as always, Coach.
She has that explosive leap that enables her to clear against the defenders. Tignan mo, simpleng-simple, back set, finishing off against 2 blockers.
Yes.
No wonder over 100 points in the first round.
Wow.
In the first meeting of these 2 squads, Cagayan winning versus the Navy team, 25-14, 25-14, 25-9.
Look at that serve, Coach Ronnie. Pinag-usapan din
Yung
natin
sinasabi
yan.
mo, di ba?
Right on cue, first time to serve, ayan agad. Service ace, those are the easiest points that you can get in volleyball. Walang kahirap-hirap yung 5 kasama mo sa loob. Ikaw lang
Puntos agad.
Ayun, this time napalipad again, starting to feel out or just beginning to have a feel of her serve for today. But very, very seldom would you see Sandra commit those service errors.
It's nice to see young stars emerge, no, from the shadows
Yes.
of Rachel Daki.
That's true.
Ang dami sila, Eliza Valdez, Alisa Valdez, byword na rin dito
Yes.
sa Shakey's V-League. And slowly
right.
but surely, yung fan base natin recognizing that maraming paangat na
Maraming.
husay na manlalaro dito sa V-League.
Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League, and being an open conference, Coach Ronnie.
Second time na natin to,
Yes, and dito kasi walang restrictions when it comes to forming a team. You
That's
can
correct.
get the strongest players that you want or that you can possibly get, and it's really up to you to have them work together as a team. Pero dito makikita yung mga dating magkakalaban in collegiate
Na
and university
magkakasama,
na ngayon
no?
nagkakalaro na magkasama.
Kaya yung iba talaga loaded yung lineup.
That's right.
Talk about teams such as ito, Cagayan Rising Suns, and yung Sandugo, napakalakas.
Yes, very
Philippine
strong.
Army naman talagang
right.
kaya nga defending champion yun Super loaded talaga.
That's why we always invite our viewers to come here at the Ninoy Aquino
Yes.
Stadium, our new home. We have game days every Tuesdays, Fridays,
Fridays.
and Sundays. We start at 2 o'clock and we have lined up 3 games each game day. So sulit na sulit ang punta dito sa Ninoy Aquino
Huwag
Stadium.
po nyo kaming pagsawaan. Tatlong laro nyo po kaming makakasama. Wala pong tulugan. 7-4 talaan para dito sa Cagayan. Navy hanging tough.
There you go. Good block by Rosale against Chua Lim. Good reception by Dionela. They go back this time for Nipol. Tubino. Well, she went down together with the ball, so poor timing from between Andaya and Tubino.
It's either nabitin, naghang time siya, o kinapos talaga siya ron.
Yes.
Sabi nga, miscommunication happening in the last sequence. 5 serving 7.
Good serve this time. Tubino gets that point back, redeems herself, and it is Cagayan Valley going into the first technical timeout of this set. 8-5. We'll be right back.